Hello and welcome to Ramsport. In this video we have the 1989 Porsche 930 Turbo Targa in for a vehicle inspection and engine service. Following the completion of the road test, the vehicle is treated to a wash from top to bottom and then dried before entry into the workshop for the inspection works to take place. Once the vehicle is dried, we then look to protect the interior of the vehicle by the use of floor mats and seat covers. Our inspections cover 6 main points of focus: external and drive-in, interior of the vehicle, under bonnet inspection, wheels and tyres, brakes and hubs, and last but not least, the underside of the vehicle. We record all of our findings accordingly and produce a full report for the client upon completion of the inspection, which includes images of the findings for the client's viewings. On this particular vehicle, the client has instructed us to proceed with works to include an exhaust replacement, front and rear discs and pads, some suspension bushes and an air conditioning re-gas. Upon completion of works, the vehicle is lowered to the ground, wheel nuts torqued, and the vehicle is then prepared for a road test. With the mechanical works now signed off on the vehicle, we return to the workshop for a full interior and exterior valet in preparation for the customer's collection. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to work on this 930 Porsche. If you have a vehicle you wish to have a vehicle inspection on, please do not hesitate to contact us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.